Namaste, hello, and welcome back to my channel where it's all about loving and restyling your existing wardrobe pieces. There is something special about February. Of course, it's a Valentine month, but we don't need a special day to celebrate love. Otherwise, also February is very special because it means the end of the dark and gloomy days of January. Also, we can wear brighter clothes because it is neither too cold nor too hot. It is a month full of birthdays and anniversaries, and the best part is you get full month's salary even though working for 28 days. Since we are talking about bright colors and also it's Valentine week, let's pick red color. The color red is very rich, vibrant and intense. The mood board for it can range from anger, danger, sacrifice through love, passion and joy. Keeping these things in mind, I think red also serves as a neutral base where you can paint any picture you want, from casual to chic or from feminine to flirty. In today's video, there are few looks where you can use red either as a primary color or as an accent color. There is a shade of red for everyone. So are you ready to find yours? So let's just jump on it. The combination of black and red is classic, majestic and always a party hit. We have always seen various combinations of red with black, so I'm not going to touch upon it today. I'm just going to brush through. Today I want to focus more on the other combinations with red. So here is just one look with black. Time to change the color palette. Red sweater with white shirt and blue jeans is timeless. This combination never fails. Again, denim, red, white works very well. So I'm just going to run through this and moving on to the next palette. The next combination that I'm going to try is red and pink. Both are very bright and warm tones, so you need a neutral color, maybe a white, to tone it down. Also, it will help to balance your outfit and makes it look more sophisticated. There are various hues of pink as well, from a baby pink to a fuchsia to a salmon pink or bubblegum pink, which is very much in trend right now. So let's check out few outfits with this combination. This combination is already so romantic. A nice rose pink with red. To complete the look, you can either wear a nice necklace in the same color, or you can wear a white belt to break the monotony. To keep the bright hues under control, I'm carrying a white clutch. My next look is with this fuchsia pink blazer, but I've totally balanced it out with a white t-shirt inside. Also, the tiny details as in a white button is helping to tone down the look. I wore this look last year for my Valentine day out with my friends. Yeah, it was not Valentine, it was a Galentine with my friends. I'll go a little bold this time by carrying a red purse. Another combination to try with red is a salmon pink, balancing this combination with a black crossbody bag. Make heads turn in the office with this combination. If you're looking for a neutral alternative to black and white, then reach out for a camel shade. It makes the outfit look rich and expensive and also sophisticated. For added warmth and style, throw in a camel cape. If I have to wear this combination for extreme winters, then I'm going to throw in my favorite long camel jacket and of course boots. Complete your look with your favorite accessories, be it hoops, bag or sunglasses. Combinations with green. If you don't want to end up looking like a Christmas tree, then try a nice shade of green, maybe a sage green. Here's combining a sage green chiffon blouse with a red skirt. This is a very nice, cool and a very flirty combination. Red and army green is certainly an unexpected pairing, and that is what makes it cool. You can try different combinations with a camouflage jacket or pants. Here I have paired the clashing colors with a neutral hue that is a white shirt. It would be really nice to wear this combination on a jungle safari. At least the tigers will have some fun. You can complete the jungle safari look by wearing a hat. You can also wear red as an accent color with the green dress. The red color palette gives you a variety of options to explore with shades like scarlet, red, crimson, maroon, burgundy. Actually, you can go in either directions. If you want to make a fashion statement, then go full on red from head to toe, including even the accessories. Yet another look with full on red. Here I'm wearing a red jacket as a dress that has become very popular. Again, to complete the look, I am going to use red accessories. If a full red outfit is too much for you to handle, then you can give it a break and add a black belt. Burgundy is a close cousin of red, so they get along very well and they look good with each other. Trying this combination for the first time. This look you can wear for spring, and for winters combine it with turtlenecks or long jackets. Red looks really ethereal with various shades of purple, be it aubergine to lavender to lilac. You can either dress it up or dress it down depending upon the weather or the occasion. Here I've combined this lavender skirt with a red jumper. You can also wear white sneakers with this outfit to make it more casual. This look works well for your working errands over the weekend. It's not always necessary to wear the sweater in the traditional way. You can also tie it around your waist. Yet another look with the shade of purple, but this time with white sneakers. Combination of mustard and red is perhaps the most surprising combination on the international runways, but we Indians are not new to this combination. From childhood, we have seen this combination in the form of haldi and sindoor for all our religious purposes and also for bridal functions. Both these colors are very warm hues but look very cool together. I'm feeling very proud and energized to wear this sacred Indian combination. To balance out the tones, carry a black crossbody bag. And the combination with the yellow family, this time I'm wearing a very nice canary yellow jumper with a white shirt and red pants. This combination is giving me very Govinda kind of vibes, right from Raja Babu to Hero Number 1. But believe me, this color combination is trending very hard. I think this is perfect for a Sunday brunch. Red really serves as a neutral palette as you can combine a lot of shades with this. Now I'm going to create combinations with navy or dark blue. For the first look, I have combined a nice sequin sweater in again navy. This is more of a party look. I'm going to carry a party clutch. This outfit is perfect for a date night.
Give life to your polka dot dress with a red sweater.
I hope it's not looking like black. It reminds me of various flags of the various countries. So here I've combined a bright hue of red with a corduroy navy skirt.
You can combine red with aqua blue, a look inspired from Victoria Beckham.
Red balances itself very well with the cooler shades of the spectrum like an icy grey color. So here are a few looks with tones of grey. You can try wearing a silver with red as it will make the color of red look even more vibrant. For now, I am wearing this nice icy grey sweater dress with a red skirt. You can wear this sweater dress as it is with red accessories or also with red jeans. Trying to create a layered look with this sweater dress.
Time to move out with your friends.
The combination of grey and red is a fail-proof combination and works well for the office. It gives cool vibes and creates the perfect business casual outfit, especially with crop pants. To complete your office look, you can switch your red heels to black ones and carry a tote bag. Here is a combination to give life to your winter outfits, a dark grey pleated skirt with red sweater. No winter look is completed without bag, boots and sunglasses. Do you have any styling hacks for wearing red? Which look was your favorite from this video? Do let me know in the comments below. If you have enjoyed watching this video, then please hit the subscribe button below. I post every Sunday. Until then, bye-bye, take care and keep slaying and spreading love.
We all felt the tremors on the 12th night. I was editing the video at that time. I hope everyone is safe and secure.